Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video, courtesy of jonpony. You guys can check them out, link down below. Hopefully everyone had a good day, everybody is safe. This is their recliner chair, heated seats, massage, all the good stuff. All you gotta do is click the link down below, hit the subscribe button and the like button. And we're gonna see what's inside, test it out. And here we go. Alright guys, once it's out of the box, here is the base. Pretty heavy. So if you're giving it to your folks, make sure you are there to set it up for them, because it is very heavy. About 90 pounds. And then there's that. There's the bottom cushion. We got some rails over here. Right there. So I think everything is there. Just gotta put it together. We'll be back. Alright, YouTubers, here it is. All put together. Pretty easy set up. We got the cup holders installed right there. And you got here for the remote thingy. It does recline. I just haven't set it up yet. And it swivels. Full. Then you got a pocket right here for like magazines or whatnot. Here's the remote. You got different settings to do. Really nice. And you got turn it on. And then heat. And boom. And then massage. I don't know if you could hear it, but you can definitely feel it going here all the way through. Up here, top and the middle. And even on the head parts massage. So really nice here massage. Here. So there you go. Check them out. Link down below. And that's about it. So nice recliner. And be safe.